The ProDiver Find feature lets you search for several different types of information, including text, numbers, dates, and time periods. In this demonstration, we'll search for text and numbers. We'll start by doing a search for some text. Let's say you're a wine and beverages distributor with a C-base that shows you the number of units sold and cost information for all the brands you sell, and you want to look at the units sold and cost information for the brands with names beginning with the letters CO. To begin our search, we'll select the column we want to search in, which is brand, and then we'll click the Find icon on the toolbar. Because the brand column contains text entries, ProDiver sets up the Find dialog box for a text search. We'll enter CO in the Find box and click Find All. ProDiver highlights all the entries beginning with the letters CO and brings them into view. Notice, however, that Dewar's Scotch is also highlighted in this list. This is because the word Scotch contains the letters CO. If we scroll down, we can see that ProDiver found other entries that contain CO as well. Let's redo our search so that ProDiver only finds entries that begin with the letters CO. First, we'll click Undo to undo the effects of the current search. Now we can click Find again. The Find dialog box contains the text from the last search, so we don't have to enter that again. But this time we want to make sure ProDiver finds entries containing CO only if those letters are at the beginning of a word or phrase. So we'll check Match Beginning in the middle of the dialog box. We also want ProDiver to display the results differently. The first time, ProDiver highlighted the entries that matched our search criteria, but the non-matching entries remained visible as well. Now we want ProDiver to show us a list of the matching entries only and no others. So we'll check Focus in the area labeled Action on Find. The dive window now contains a list of all the entries beginning with the letters CO and no other entries. Now let's do a search for numbers instead of text. Let's say you want to search for all the brands where the number of cases sold equaled or exceeded 80,000. First, we'll click Undo to undo the effects of the last search. We want to search for entries in the Cases column, so we'll select the Cases column and click Find. Because the Cases column contains numbers, ProDiver sets up the Find dialog box for a number search. We can enter numbers in the same area in which we entered text last time, but now we can also choose arithmetic operators and logical operators, none, and, or, to refine our search. We'll enter 80,000 in the Find box, leaving out the comma. The greater than or equal to sign to the left of the Find box works fine for our search because we want to find numbers greater than or equal to 80,000. So we'll leave that setting as it is. We want to use the Focus feature again for this search, so we'll leave that setting as it is as well. ProDiver displays a list of all the brands for which the number of cases sold equaled or exceeded 80,000. Some other things to note. You can open the Find dialog box in a few different ways. You can select Find from the Organize menu, or right-click anywhere in the dive window and then select Find from the resulting menu. If you don't select a column before you select Find, ProDiver sets up the Find operation for the first column in the dive window. So that's how you find text and numbers in a C-base. You select the column in which you want to find the information, click the Find icon, and enter your search criteria.